We all know sugar is everywhere, but quitting it, that's a whole different battle. From cereal to ketchup, sugar hides in the most unexpected places. And every time you try to walk away, it pulls you back. But what if I told you, you don't need to quit sugar cold turkey? You just need to replace it. In this video, we'll explore 10 science-backed, gut-friendly, naturally sweet alternatives to sugar that won't spike your blood sugar or wreck your energy. Whether you're cutting sugar to lose weight, beat fatigue, manage cravings, or protect your heart, this video is your new best friend. Why replace sugar instead of quitting? Let's face it, quitting sugar isn't easy because your body has been wired to crave it. Sugar lights up the same reward pathways in your brain as addictive drugs, triggering dopamine and reinforcing the habit. But replacing sugar, that's a behavioral upgrade, not just a restriction. The goal isn't zero sweetness, the goal is better sweetness. According to research from the National Institutes of Health and Harvard Medical School, when people replace sugar with smart alternatives, not artificial junk, they report better energy, less bloating, improved mood, lower cravings over time, and most importantly, fewer blood sugar crashes. Ready to take back control? Let's dive into the 10 best sugar replacements that are easy to find, scientifically supported, and shockingly satisfying. Number 10. Whole fruit. This one's simple. Nature made candy. It's called fruit. Unlike refined sugar, whole fruits contain fiber, antioxidants, and water, which slow the release of sugar into your bloodstream. A study published in the journal Appetite found that participants who replaced dessert with fruit experienced significantly fewer sugar cravings and better satiety. Start with apples, bananas, grapes, dates, or fresh berries. Use them in oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or as snacks. You're not cutting sweetness, you're upgrading it. Number 9. Raw honey. Unlike table sugar, raw honey contains trace enzymes, vitamins, and antioxidants, especially if it's dark and locally sourced. According to a 2021 meta-analysis in the journal Nutrition Reviews, raw honey may help reduce triglycerides and improve cholesterol when used moderately. Just 1 teaspoon can sweeten your tea, salad dressings, or baking, without the synthetic aftertaste of artificial sweeteners. But remember, it's still sugar. Use sparingly. Number 8. Pure maple syrup. Pure maple syrup. Not the pancake-flavored corn syrup imposters. Real maple syrup contains over 24 different antioxidants, as shown in a University of Rhode Island study. It's lower on the glycemic index than table sugar and adds a deep, rich flavor to coffee, granola, or marinades. A little goes a long way. Stick to grade a dark amber for the most nutrients. Number 7. Stevia leaf. Stevia, a plant-based sweetener that's been used for centuries in South America. Unlike sugar, stevia contains 0 calories and doesn't raise blood glucose or insulin. Research in the journal Appetite showed that people using stevia consumed fewer total daily calories without compensating later. Tip: look for whole leaf or green stevia. Avoid overly processed blends with added chemicals. Number 6. Dates and date syrup. Dates are nature's caramel. Packed with fiber, potassium, and magnesium, they're a whole food sugar alternative that nourishes you. Use them in smoothies, baking, or blend them into paste for energy balls. A 2022 study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that date-based sweeteners have prebiotic effects that support gut health. Number 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa and up. Instead of milk chocolate filled with refined sugar, reach for antioxidant-rich dark chocolate to satisfy your sweet tooth. It contains theobromine and polyphenols that support heart health and mood, according to Harvard's T.H. Chan School of Public Health. Bonus tip: just 1 small square can crush sugar cravings in seconds. Number 4. Monk fruit sweetener. Monk fruit, a natural sweetener extracted from a small green melon grown in Southeast Asia. It's 150 Air 200x sweeter than sugar, contains 0 calories, and doesn't spike insulin. Monk fruit contains antioxidants called moghrosides, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Use it in baking, coffee, or anywhere you'd use sugar. Number 3. Unsweetened applesauce. Unsweetened applesauce is one of the best swaps for sugar in baking. Use it 1:1 to replace sugar in muffins, pancakes, or cookies. It adds moisture, fiber, and subtle sweetness. Just make sure it's truly unsweetened. Check the label for added sugars. Number 2. Roasted root veggies. Roasted root vegetables, like sweet potatoes, carrots, and beets. These get naturally sweeter when roasted due to the Maillard reaction, which caramelizes their natural sugars. Craving dessert? Try cinnamon roasted sweet potatoes or beet chips. It satisfies your sugar fix, without added sugar at all. Number 1. Frozen bananas and nice cream. And at number 1, frozen bananas, also known as nice cream. When frozen and blended, bananas take on a creamy, ice cream-like texture, without a single grain of sugar. Add a splash of oat milk, a spoonful of peanut butter, or a dash of cinnamon. You can even freeze them in slices to use in smoothies instead of juice or sugar. It's a guilt-free, whole food dessert. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap. The truth is you don't have to quit sweetness. You just must upgrade it. These 10 sugar replacements aren't just healthier, they're delicious, accessible, and backed by science. Whether you're battling cravings, managing blood sugar, or just trying to feel better in your body, these swaps make the journey sustainable. Comment below, which of these will you try first? Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health and nutrition videos.